Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with Skeena Resources, Tier 1 Silver, Vizsla Silver, Consolidated Uranium and Tudor Gold. Skeena Resources has received notice from Hochschild Mining PLC to take over as operator and commence investment in the Snip gold project located in British Columbia's Golden Triangle. This is to acquire a 60% interest in Skeena's project as per the letter of intent dated from 19 September. To earn in, Hochschild must incur expenditures of approximately 100 million Canadian dollars during the option period, which began on 14th October this year already. Upon completion of the earn-in, a joint venture would be formed between the parties and Skeena could be entitled to anti-dilution protection of up to $15 million. We see this as an advantage, as Hochschild is one of the best underground mining companies in the world for narrow, high-grade deposits, and it would be excellent for Skeena to have such a partner for Snip. Skeena shareholders will benefit from Hochschild potentially investing 115 million Canadian dollars in Snip before Skeena is required to contribute. This will allow Skeena to fully focus on aggressively exploring and advancing SK Creek. This is another huge milestone for Skeena and will help the share price to move up. Tier 1 Silver again announced great results from high-grade channel samples from the recently identified Cambaya target at the Cambaya project in southern Peru. Results from the first 20 channel samples collected at the Cambaya defined an area of 1 kilometer by 600 meters with 20 meters at almost 294 grams silver equivalent, 11 meters at 348 grams silver equivalent, 9 meters at 438, 2 meters at 1,852 silver equivalent and 2 meters at 1,111 grams silver equivalent per ton. The company is progressing very well, and we expect very good news as they are currently drilling below the previously reported high-grade channel samples from the Cambaya project and within the main target area. They also have over 30 channel samples pending from both the Cambaya target and the Hurricane Silver project. Tier 1 Silver has great potential. Vizsla Silver is expanding Tajitos by 40% to 800 meters and showing great drill results with over 3,374 grams silver equivalent per ton at Panuco. In total, results were announced from 23 new drill holes targeting the Tajitos resource area. In addition to the aforementioned results, 793 grams silver equivalent showed up over 1.3 meters. Other holes were very successful, values ranging from 354 grams to over 1,600 grams silver equivalent per ton. Thus, the drilling fully meets the high expectations, and with each result, Panuco becomes more valuable. The mineralization is still open, and further enormous potential can be expected in terms of precious metals as well as base metal content. 3 drill rigs are running on Tajitos and will hopefully continue to deliver such great step-out results. In total, there are 10 drill rigs working on Panuco, of which 7 are working on resource drilling alone. Vizsla Silver still has a lot of potential too. Consolidated Uranium announced the formation and planned spin-off of Labrador Uranium, shortly named LUR. The subsidiary will focus on the consolidation, exploration and development of uranium projects in Labrador. In connection with the proposed spin-off of LUR, the company announced that it will exercise its option to acquire 100% of the Moran Lake project. The spin-off will be implemented through an arrangement agreement. Consolidated Uranium will, among other things, transfer ownership of the Moran Lake project to Labrador Uranium in exchange for common shares. These will then be distributed to the shareholders of Consolidated Uranium. We are happy on that. A listing on the CSE has been applied for. In addition, the company and LUR have entered into a purchase agreement with Altius Resources, pursuant to which LUR has agreed to acquire from Altius a 100% interest in the Central Mineral Belt uranium copper project and the Notak-Wannon project, both located in Labrador. Consolidated Uranium is clearly expanding and the stock is hot. Uranium is not only hot, it will become the commodity of choice, and Consolidated Uranium is still at cheap valuations. Shareholders get the shares of LUR for free, and CUR can focus on near-term production ramp-up in the US. Tudor Gold is doing a financing, and due to strong investor demand combined with the previously announced private placement offering efforts, has decided to increase the size of the offering to 15 million Canadian dollars. Eric Sprott will again participate significantly in this. This will allow CEO Ken Conkin to drill full throttle. Tudor Gold is still at a low valuation, and we see here at least 150% price potential. Please note the disclaimer that appears now. The companies discussed may or will be part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Austria.